y'all. I'm in my craft room, which happens to be my office and a little bit of everything else. But today I'm bringing you a special guest, my Noah. Yep. And Noah is here with me today because we are preparing
for Valentine's Day.
Yes, for Valentine's Day. And Noah goes to a special school, and his bus drivers take really good care, and his teacher takes really good care of Noah, because Noah's a special little boy. So he's going to help me put together some gifts for Valentine's Day. Now, we don't give gifts to everybody for Valentine's Day, but those special people that do special things for us, we like to make sure that they know that they are loved and appreciated. So we are putting together some stuff for Valentine's Day for his bus driver and his teacher. So come along with us for that. So before Noah came downstairs, I had to get some things done first. The first thing that I did was to start with my Cricut. I was making little note cards for him to insert in all of the little boxes and the gifts that we were giving. These little cards were little llamas, and I got this design off Cricut Design Space. And if you'd like to see me do more videos on those Cricut items that I do and those projects, please comment down below and let me know. Now I'm going to put the finishing touches on our little llamas. I've actually written the Noah's name on each one, and I am now putting just a dot of hot glue, if I don't burn myself first, on each one and putting a little candy heart. Then I'll fold the hands over and put another little dot of glue on one of the hands so that they can be held together. They're really cute. I'll show it to you in the end. We have all of our stuff that we purchased actually from the Dollar Tree. We actually got these cute little jars from the Dollar Tree, which are plastic, and that vinyl sticks to them very well. We also got all of the rose infused gloves and loofahs from the Dollar Tree as well. We got the cans from the Dollar Tree, all the little containers we're going to put the goodies in, the candy, the bath bombs. We're putting together a self-care basket for our ladies so that they can provide some self-care and know that we care about them too. Okay, you see all the candy? Yes. I want you to help me put them in the bottle, okay? Can you open that bottle for me? Yes, that's really good. Okay, here, this is what I want. I want you to put a few things in there, like a silver one and a red one. And then I want you to put 2 of these in there. Not all of them, baby. Here's a red one and a silver one. And then put 2 golds. You got it? Then put 2 golds in there. 2 of the gold cans. And then 2 of these little candies. These are cookies and cream. See what your bottle looks like so far. Okay, we may need to put some more in there. And here, put a couple of these in there. Okay? Noah's such a good kid. He does not complain about anything. And if you give him a task, he's always willing to do it. If you have someone in your family who is on the autism spectrum, always give them something to do. They can actually do a whole lot more than people think that they can. So Noah here is working hard and he's enjoying himself because he likes to work. He likes the gratification of hearing you say thank you and hearing you say you did a good job, because he usually does do a good job. Is it done? Good job, Noah. Okay, you got 2 of these too? Uh-oh. You got it? Good job. It's easy. Here, let me take that one. Now open up the next one. Get the next one.
Wait a second. This is for me?
It's for the family to give to Miss Chapman because your sister still ride her bus, remember?
You're right. Red one and a silver one.
Mm-hmm.
How can you do this now? Or is it 1?
2 of each. Yep. Good job, Noah. Good job, Noah.
Thank you.
Now that we have our bottles together, can't see the name so well then, but they can see. We can now start putting together our boxes. Can you open that for me, Noah? Good job, Noah.
Okay.
Okay, let's open up one of those bags of the paper. Can you get that? Let's get it from the bottom. So we have our little containers all filled with the paper threads. Okay, come on, Noah. Good. There we go. All right, so now Noah is going to put the bombs, the bath bombs in. There you go. Good job. Put the white one in that one, Noah. We'll put this one over here and this one. Yes. Now let's put the gloves in. I think so. Uh-oh. And Memaw will have to straighten it up a little bit in a minute. We bought some. There you go. Can you put it in there? So Noah and I are going to now get these all straight and pretty, and we're going to package them up so they'll be ready to go when he goes on Monday to school. So we're doing this in plenty of time to get it. Now you probably won't see it until Saturday before
Valentine's Day?
Yes, you probably won't see it until Saturday before Valentine's Day, but we're doing it well in advance so that we can have our gifts ready for our teacher and our bus drivers, right?
Yes.
Put that one in. It goes over here from his hand. There we go. Okay, y'all done?
Yep.
All right, let's get them wrapped up. Okay, we have finished all of the gifts. I think they turned out super cute. I got my trash over here. I know that if somebody gave that to me, I'd be happy. Noah?
Yeah.
Which one is that? Who is that for? So Noah and I have finished our job, haven't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Yep. So now we're going to deliver our gifts on Monday. Yes, Valentine's Day. And I hope that they enjoy it. So get together with some family members and try to give something nice to someone who loves you and who do good by you. Noah?
Yes?
Let's take a picture. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give Noah some thumbs up. Be blessed. Bye.